Hello, my name is Geraldine Sozie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us, do subscribe and click on the notification bell so you always get to know once there is new content. This channel is all about natural skincare and lifestyle. Today, we'll be making a herbal scrub that is awesome for healing skin diseases such as eczema, ringworm, body discolorations as a result of irritation, reaction, and the others. So let's now go into the making of the body scrub. We'll be needing neem leaf powder. This is neem leaf powder, and we need a tablespoon of neem leaf powder, a tablespoon of moringa leaf powder, a tablespoon of bitter leaf powder, two tablespoons of brown sugar, two tablespoons of crumbled black soap, and palm oil. If you've noticed, the herbs we are making use of for this scrub are herbs that are potent for the treatment of different skin diseases. Neem is awesome for the treatment of different skin blemishes. Name it, you can treat acne, it is good for eczema, for a whole lot of skin diseases. It is also very good for treating oily skin. It will help to control the oil production on the skin. Moringa as well is very potent in the treatment of different skin blemishes. It is a healing herb that can treat anything. A miracle plant. It treats anything from eczema to acne to ringworm. Just name it. It does a whole lot, both in the body system and on the skin as well. I also made use of bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is very good for treatment of acne. It clears dark spots, even chicken pox. There was a time my older sister had chicken pox. Yes, even after having a second child, she had chicken pox, and because of bitter leaf that she made use of, there's no telltale sign on her skin today that she ever had chicken pox. Her skin is clear and flawless because she made use of bitter leaf. So that's why I also made use of bitter leaf in this scrub as well. Then for palm oil has a whole lot of benefits in skincare as well. But I do not advise you to make use of this scrub on the face. because some people react to palm oil, especially if their skin is acne prone. Sometimes it helps those that have acne prone skin and it clears acne, while at some other times it might make you break out more. So I wouldn't advise you to make use of this scrub on your face, but it's very good for other parts of the body. You can use it 3 to 4 times in the week, but make sure not to use more than 4 times. Make sure not to use more than 4 times to clear all your skin blemishes. This scrub has even been shown to clear stretch marks. For those that have used it, they came back to give a testimonial that it even helps to clear stretch marks. So depending on what you want, I think mine is okay this way, but if you want it to be thinner, you can still add more red oil, palm oil, to make it thinner. But this consistency is very okay for me. So after washing, you first cleanse your skin. You don't go using a scrub on dirty skin. You first cleanse your skin, you know, to remove impurities, so that while using the scrub, the dirt don't get back into your pores and, you know, and cause more damage. So first you cleanse your skin, then you apply this scrub on affected areas. That's where you have either eczema, ringworm, or discolorations. You apply it there, or you could decide to use it on the whole of your body. Just exclude your face, except you are sure that your skin doesn't react to palm oil. That's your facial skin doesn't react to palm oil. Then you can go ahead to use it, but I don't advise you use it on your face. That's why I called it a herbal scrub. But probably I should have added herbal body scrub. So here is the scrub. Apply on affected areas after cleansing the skin first. Apply on affected areas, then massage for a few minutes. Leave to sit before you now wash off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value. Do like this video and share as well. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to always be the first to know whenever there is a new video content. For those struggling with acne, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne, is a book that will help you go from an acne-ridden skin to a flawless skin, because it breaks down acne to the different types of acne, the myths and facts surrounding acne, causes of acne, what predisposes your skin, you know, to developing acne, the affirmations you can use to develop or achieve a flawless skin, and how you can eventually go from an acne-ridden skin to a beautiful skin. If you're interested in getting a copy of the Acne Handbook, there is a link in the description of this video where you can get your own copy. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share as well. Do subscribe and click on the notification bell as well. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.